Pumpkin. Is that good? Yummy, that's good stuff. I can't film while he's eating, he'll stop eating. He sure is following this camera at me.
Yes.
Try the light.
No, he follows those cameras in the phone everywhere he goes.
He's like, ooh, what is that?
Hey, eat your food.
He's tired.
Comes here playing. Ah.
Okay, do I need to turn the camera off so you can beat him?
Yes.
Okay. Say bye.
Bye bye, Mama.